Yeah, and you bring up an excellent point, and also another point that I didn't quite describe, but I think it is meaningful now. When Ethernet came out, the Ethernet IO product for Opto, and others were doing Ethernet as well, one of the reasons why they said this will never work is because it was only 10 megabits per second. And it worked with a technology called hubs, meaning it was a completely shared medium. Anybody who had access to the wire could communicate. And that's one of the reasons that people said, well, this will never work. But here's the thing. We knew that there was a lot of research and development in the notion of Ethernet just by itself for IT networks to make them faster, to make them deterministic, to make them everything that we needed them to be. And that's an advantage of in this evolution. If we're adopting technologies that may be outside of our industry and pulling them into our industry and figuring out how that can help solve a problem, the other byproduct of that is we've got these massive companies, Cisco, 3Com, these are companies back in the time that were all about Ethernet. They are investing millions of dollars in these technologies, in just Cisco switches or Ethernet 3Com cards that fit into your PC and so on. We benefit from that. Our industry benefits from that. And I think that's an important distinction rather than a vendor like Opto having to invent everything. Well, wait a minute, there's a lot of innovation out there. How can we pull some of that innovation into our industry and solve problems with it?